नमस्ते नमस्कार साथीहो। लोक सेवा आयोग नेपालको नेपाल स्वास्थ्य सेवातर्फको लोक सेवाको तयारीको लागि हेल्थ सेवा तयारी युट्युब च्यानलमा हजुरलाई स्वागत छ। र आज हामी प्रेग्नेन्सी रिलेटेड एमसिक्युजको पार्ट 2 लिएर आएका छौँ। यसभन्दा पहिले हामीले प्रेग्नेन्सी रिलेटेड एमसिक्युज पार्ट 1 पब्लिस गरिसकेका छौँ। त्यो भिडियो हेर्नुभएको छैन भने पार्ट 1 पनि हेर्नुहोला। र यो मोडेल सेट चाहिँ प्रेग्नेन्सी रिलेटेड एमसिक्युज चाहिँ यसमा रहेको प्रेग्नेन्सी रिलेटेड एमसिक्युज हेल्थ सेक्टरका विभिन्न लोकसेवाको इक्जाममा चाहिँ सहयोगी हुनेछ। र अब आजको भिडियोतर्फ लागौँ। त्योभन्दा पहिले के भन्न चाहन्छु भने हजुरले हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने च्यानललाई पक्कै पनि सब्सक्राइब गर्नुहोला र साइडको बेल बटन पनि प्रेस गर्नुहोला। र अब हामी अगाडि बढौँ आजको भिडियोतर्फ। क्वेसन नम्बर 1 मा छ, which one of the following forms the major part of the placenta? A. Chorion, B. Decidua, C. germs layer, D. amnion. हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ कोरियन। कोरियन forms the major part of the placenta. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 2, the combination of chronic villi, placental blood sinuses and placenta blood constitutes umbilical cord, placenta, amnion, decidua. हाम्रो एन्सर छ placenta. Question number 3. Changes in the uterus during pregnancy are due to circulatory changes, hormonal changes, fetal growth, all of the above. र यहाँ एन्सर छ all of the above. त्यसैगरी question number 4. When you were palpating the abdomen of a pregnant woman, you found the fundal height of the uterus midway between the umbilicus and the pubis during 4 months of pregnancy, 5-month pregnancy, 6-month pregnancy, or 7-month pregnancy. हाम्रो एन्सर छ 5 month प्रेग्नेन्सी। 5 month प्रेग्नेन्सी भएको बेला चाहिँ फन्डल हाइट अफ द युटेरस चाहिँ अम्बिलिकस र प्युबिसको मिडवे हुन्छ। त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 5, द युटेरस रिचेज एट द अम्बिलिकस एट 4 months, 5 month, 6 month, 7 month. हाम्रो एन्सर छ 6 months। 6 monthsको प्रेग्नेन्सीमा चाहिँ युटेरस चाहिँ अम्बिलिकसमा पुग्छ। 6 number, during the 9 months of pregnancy, the height of the uterus falls somewhat below the xiphisternum. It is called ballotment, quickening, lightening, none of the above. हाम्रो एन्सर छ lightening. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 7, what is the reason of developing physiological anemia during pregnancy? Low intake of iron, due to hemodilation, decreased erythropoiesis after first trimester, increased detoxification in liver of the mother. What is the reason of developing physiological anemia during pregnancy? Low intake of iron, due to hemodilation, decreased erythropoiesis after first trimester, increased detoxification in the liver of mother. हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ due to hemodilution. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 8, a pregnant woman came at the health institution in 2056 Baisakh 7. The LMP was in 2055 March 22. What will be the expected date of delivery EDD? 2056 Kartik 31, 2056 Kartik 29, 2056 Mangsi 31, 2056 Mangsi 29. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ 2056 कार्तिक 29. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 9. Normally, at the later weeks of pregnancy, the fetus is transverse with shoulder presentation, longitudinal with vertex presentation, longitudinal with vertex or bridge presentation, oblique with hand presentation. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ longitudinal with vertex or bridge presentation. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 10. Normally, the lie becomes longitudinal spontaneously by 32 weeks, 34 weeks, 38 weeks, 40 weeks. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ 38 weeks. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 11. The excessive accumulation of liquor amnio more than 2000 ml after 26 to 30 weeks of gestation is polyhydramnios, oligohydramnios, hydrops fetalis, none of the above. हाम्रो एन्सर छ polyhydramnios. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 12. How should the woman with the premature rupture of the membrane be managed in health post? Start antibiotics, give complete bed rest, induce labor to deliver vaginally when pregnancy is 37 weeks or more, refer to better center. हाम्रो एन्सर छ refer to better center. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 13, resource incompatibility may result anencephaly, spina bifida, erythroblastosis fetalis, none of the above. Resource incompatibility may result anencephaly, spina bifida, erythroblastosis fetalis, none of the above. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ erythroblastosis fetalis. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 14, when a pregnant woman is suspected STI, she need to have test ELISA test, Western blot or immunoblood test, VDRL test, all of the above. हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ all of the above. When a pregnant woman is suspected STI, she need to have all of the tests like ELISA test, Western blot or immunoblood test, and VDRL test. Question number 15. Which test should be done for confirmation of HIV infection? ELISA test, Western blot test, VDRL test, blood culture. हाम्रो एन्सर छ Western blot test. त्यसै गरी question number 16. What advice should be given to the woman with HIV/AIDS in her early pregnancy? A. Non-risk of transmission of HIV/AIDS to her baby. She should continue pregnancy. Risk of transmission of HIV/AIDS to her baby. Should discontinue pregnancy. The baby will not develop HIV/AIDS if she avoids breastfeeding. D. There is 100% possibility of transmission of HIV/AIDS to her baby. हाम्रो एन्सर छ risk of transmission of HIV/AIDS to her baby. Should discontinue pregnancy. Early pregnancy मा HIV/AIDS डिटेक्ट गरिन्छ भने चाहिँ risk of transmission of HIV/AIDS to her baby र should discontinue pregnancy. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 17. What are the two main causes of puerperal infection after delivery? Trauma and bleeding during labor, malnutrition and anemia during pregnancy, preeclampsia and malnutrition, maternal distress and fetal distress. हाम्रो एन्सर छ trauma and bleeding during labor. The two main causes of puerperal infection after delivery, trauma and bleeding during labor. हामीलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनु होला. हाम्रो टोटल 59 वटा क्वेसनहरु रहेका छन् यसमा. अब हामी क्वेसन नम्बर 18. What is the normal rate of involution when the fundal height is at the level of umbilicus? A. Half finger breadth per day. B. 1 finger breadth per day. C. 2 finger breadth per day. D. Involution rate may vary per day. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ 1 finger breadth per day. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 19. From which day of the delivery lochia serosa begins to flow? 3rd day, 5th day, 7th day, 9th day. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ 5th day. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 20. Vesico-vaginal fistula is the false passage created between rectum and vagina, vagina and urinary bladder, vagina and urethra, vagina and perineal muscle. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ vagina and urinary bladder. Vesico-vaginal fistula भनेको vagina र urinary bladder बीचको false passage हो. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 21. A woman experienced passage of stool or flatus through vagina following delivery. What may be the cause? Vesico-vaginal fistula, recto-vaginal fistula, A and B both, none of the above. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ recto-vaginal fistula. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 22. Danger of the brain damage of the newborn baby is associated with RH incompatibility or incapability, asphyxia neonatum, Apgar score more than 6, congenital abnormality. Then danger of brain damage of the newborn baby is associated with RH incompatibility, asphyxia neonatum, Apgar score more than 6, congenital abnormality. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ asphyxia neonatum. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 23. EOC refers to emergency obstetric care, everyday obstetric care, everywhere obstetric care, every time obstetric care. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ emergency obstetric care. EOC refers to emergency obstetric care. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 24. A negative blood group mother needs 1 injection to prevent RH incompatibility. Injection TT, injection anti-D immunoglobulin, estrogen, IgM. हाम्रो एन्सर छ इन्जेक्सन एन्टी-डी इम्युनोग्लोबुलिन। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 25, if a mother has continued abortion in each conception, this abortion is called missed abortion, habitual abortion, inevitable abortion, complete abortion। हाम्रो एन्सर छ habitual abortion। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 26, what precautions should be taken to women with the diabetes mellitus during labor? Avoid acidosis and dehydration, give oxygen therapy, baby should be given 10 to 20 ml of 10% dextrose orally within 2 hours of delivery, both A and C। हाम्रो एन्सर छ both A and C। Avoid acidosis and dehydration र baby should be given 10 to 20 ml of 10% dextrose orally within 2 hours of delivery। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 27, a G3P2 at 38 weeks comes with the sudden onset of painless vaginal bleeding. What is the best to avoid? के चाहिँ गर्नुहुन्न? USG, CTG, PV examination, resuscitation। हाम्रो एन्सर छ PV examination। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 28, what complication may occur during pregnancy? Morning sickness, ectopic pregnancy, malpresentation, B and C both। हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ B and C both। मर्निङ ectopic pregnancy र malpresentation यो हुन सक्छ। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 29, if a pregnant woman develops vaginal bleeding and pain in early pregnancy, it is likely that it will result in abortion, that is threatened abortion. How the case should be managed? Administer injection ergometrin, keep under complete bed rest and sedatives should be given, evacuation by manual vacuum aspiration, high dose antibiotics should be given। हाम्रो एन्सर छ keep under complete bed rest and sedatives should be given। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 30, which one is the danger sign during pregnancy that requires seeking immediate care? A, severe abdominal pain, B, high fever, C, rupture of the membrane, D, all of the above। र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ all of the above। यी तीनटै कन्डिसनमा चाहिँ इमिडिएट केयर चाहिन्छ प्रेग्नेन्सीको टाइममा। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 31, हामी आधातिर आइसकेका छौँ र अझसम्म हामीलाई हेरेर साथ दिइराख्नु भएको छ आशा छ र अन्त्यसम्म पनि हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला। अब हामी क्वेसन नम्बर 31 मा पुगेका छौँ। Which one is not a risk factor in pregnancy? A, age at first pregnancy below for 20 years or 35 years and above, height above 148 cm, parity fourth and above, 15 years below, not a risk factor in pregnancy। हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ height above 148 cm। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 32, what should be done to the pregnant woman having accidental hemorrhage? Start IV line and replace IV fluid by plasma or blood, collect blood for hemoglobin percentage and RS factor study, sedate the patient, all of the above। हाम्रो एन्सर छ all of the above। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 33, women in active labor developed symptoms like sweating, dry tongue and dehydration with decreased urinary output and presence of acetone in urine. What may be the cause? A woman in active labor developed symptoms like sweating, dry tongue and dehydration with decreased urinary output and presence of acetone in urine. What may be the cause? A, fetal distress, B, maternal distress, C, active labor, D, uterine tetany। हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ maternal distress। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 34, what are the presumptive signs, mostly subjective signs of pregnancy? Amenorrhea and fetal movement felt by examiner, amenorrhea and pregnancy test to detect HCG, breast changes and Goodell's sign, amenorrhea and quickening। What are the presumptive signs of pregnancy? Amenorrhea and fetal movement felt by examiner, amenorrhea and pregnancy test to detect HCG, breast changes and Goodell's sign, amenorrhea and quickening। र हाम्रो एन्सर छ amenorrhea and quickening। त्यसै गरी क्वेसन नम्बर 35, What are the probable signs of pregnancy? भनेको objective signs of pregnancy. Uterine changes and enlargement, pregnancy test to detect HCG, ballotment, all of the above. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ all of the above. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 36. What is the positive sign of pregnancy confirmed? Braxton Hicks contraction, fetal outline and movement as felt by examiner, ultrasonography revealing the movement of fetal heart, both B and C. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ both B and C. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 37. Softening of cervix is called Goodell sign, Hager sign, Chadwick sign, ballotment. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ Goodell sign. Softening of cervix is called Goodell sign. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 38. Not a sign of placental separation, decrease in fundal height, gush of vaginal blood, permanent lengthening of cord, uterus becomes firm. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ decrease in fundal height. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 39. The umbilicus has 1 artery, 2 veins, 2 arteries, 1 vein, 3 arteries or 1 artery, 1 vein. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ 2 arteries, 1 vein. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 40. What do you advise to the pregnant woman to reduce morning sickness that she usually has during the first trimester? To take protein food at bedtime, to take antacid at bedtime, to avoid all type of food, to take antiemetics. हाम्रो एन्सर छ to take protein food at bedtime. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 41. At the later weeks of pregnancy, the fetus lies transverse with shoulder presentation, longitudinal with vertex presentation, longitudinal with vertex or bridge presentation, oblique with hand presentation. हाम्रो एन्सर छ longitudinal with vertex or bridge presentation. त्यसै गरी अब क्वेशन नम्बर 42. In persistent transverse lie, what may be the presenting part? Vertex, shoulder, cord, both B and C. हाम्रो एन्सर छ both B and C. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 43. A full-term pregnant woman came with the history of repeated painless vaginal bleeding. She was anemic. There was no uterine contraction or tenderness. Presenting part was not engaged. What is your diagnosis? First stage of labor, placenta previa, polyhydramnios, incomplete abortion. हाम्रो एन्सर छ placenta previa. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 44. What is the possible risk of premature rupture of the membrane? Spreading the infection into the peritoneal cavity, fetal congenital abnormalities may develop, maternal distress, prolonged labor. हाम्रो एन्सर छ spreading the infection into the peritoneal cavity. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 45. When a severely anemic patient is in labor, she may need oxygen inhalation and blood transfusion. Ergometrin IV is to begin in the third stage of labor. Give antibiotic orally. All of the above. हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ all of the above. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 46. The average blood with vaginal delivery is 500 ml, 1000 ml, 1500 ml or 250 ml. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ 500 ml. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 47. All the following are true for hormone replacement therapy, but increase the risk of coronary artery disease, increase bone mineral density, increases the risk of breast cancer, increases the risk of endometrial cancer. र हाम्रो एन्सर रहेको छ increases the risk of coronary artery disease. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 48. A pregnant woman having the signs and symptoms of urinary tract infection should be suggested. Avoid smoking and alcohol, avoid hot food, should take excessive water and fluid, use bactericidal ointment in vulva. र हाम्रो एन्सर छ should take excessive water and fluid. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 49. When you were examining a mother on the second day of delivery, you found the uterine fundus at the level of umbilicus and tilted right side. What do you suspect? Delay involution rate of the uterus, retained placenta, full and distended bladder, rupture of the uterus. हाम्रो एन्सर छ full and distended bladder. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 50. During the postnatal period, the mother complains of pain in the legs with the rise of temperature and you found the legs are swollen and tenderness in the calf. What do you suspect? Hypocalcemia, deep vein thrombosis, osteomyelitis, none of the above. हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ deep vein thrombosis. त्यसैगरी question number 51. A woman developed confusion with an abnormal behavior pattern after 1 week of delivery. What may be the most possible diagnosis? Schizophrenia, depression, puerperal psychosis, mania. हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ puerperal psychosis. त्यसैगरी question number 52. हामी अन्त्यतिर आइपुगेका छौं. अब कतिजना साथीले अझसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुभएको छ र हाम्रो question number 52 छ. A rise of temperature on any one occasion within 14 days following delivery is called puerperal pyrexia. The possible cause is puerperal sepsis, breast complications, deep vein thrombosis, all of the above. हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ all of the above. त्यसैगरी question number 53. After the ovulation, the ovum remains alive for 10 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours or 48 hours. र हाम्रो आन्सर छ 24 hours. त्यसैगरी question number 54. Best possible protection against cancer is health education, cancer screening, dietary modification, control of tobacco consumption. हाम्रो आन्सर छ cancer screening. त्यसैगरी question number 55. Uses of pap smear examination in the detection of cervical cancer in women is primary level prevention, secondary level prevention, tertiary level prevention, not related to prevention. Use of pap smear examination in the detection of cervical cancer in women is secondary level prevention. Question answer रहेको छ B, secondary level prevention. त्यसैगरी question number 56. Which one is not the risk factor for carcinoma of cervix? Early marriage, multiple sexual partners, genital warts, leukorrhea. हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ leukorrhea. त्यसैगरी question number 57. Quickening in primi gravida can be felt at 12 weeks, 18 weeks, 20 weeks, 24 weeks. र हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ 18 weeks. त्यसैगरी question number 58. During the first 6 months of lactating, mother needs extra calories. During the first 6 months of lactating, mother needs extra calories. कति क्यालोरी त 400 kilocalorie per day, 600 kilocalorie per day, 300 kilocalorie per day, 550 kilocalorie per day. र हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ 600 kilocalorie per day. त्यसैगरी पालो भएको छ हाम्रो अन्तिम क्वेशनको question number 59. A postpartum pregnancy is if the pregnancy continues beyond 37 weeks, 40 weeks, 42 weeks, 48 weeks. हाम्रो आन्सर रहेको छ 42 weeks. र हाम्रो आजको मोडल सेटमा यी 59 वटा क्वेशन रहेका थिए. हजुरलाई केही कन्फ्युजन छ अथवा हजुरको केही सल्लाह सुझाव छ कि जिज्ञासा छ भने कमेन्ट बक्समा राख्नु होला. हाम्रो च्यानललाई अहिलेसम्म सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएन भने च्यानललाई पक्कै पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुस् र भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्नु भएको छैन भने भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्नुस्. हस्त साथीहरु धन्यवाद. फेरि पनि हामी अर्को भिडियोमा भेट्ने छौं.